here is question 16. Even asked 15 people to how many books they read in last year. So the data were given. So we need to find the interquartile range. So interquartile range is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So 3/4. So first we'll find the middle one. So 15 people. So 15 plus 1 16. The eighth one is going to be the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the median. So leave this, then you have to find the midpoint after right side. So here is the midpoint. This is going to be the third quartile, which is 25, minus the first quartile. Again here, this is the midpoint of the first part. So which is going to be 4. So 25 minus 4 is 21. So the interquartile range is going to be 21. Next question 17. Show that 2 root 7 plus 2 over root 7 minus 3 can be written in the form of a minus root b. So show your working clearly. Okay, 2 root 7 plus 2 over square root of 7 minus 3. So we'll take the negative sign here, the denominator. So we'll multiply numerator and denominator. So root 7 plus 3 over root 7 plus 3. So the numerator is going to be 2 root 7 plus 2 times root 7 plus 3 over root 7 minus 3 times root 7 plus 3. So now we have to multiply numerator. 2 root 7 times root 7, which is root 7, and root 7 becomes 7. 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 2 root 7 times 3, which is 6 root 7, plus 2 times root 7 is 2 root 7, plus 2 times 3 is 6. The denominator, root 3 minus root 7 minus 3 times root 7 plus 3. So multiply 7 times 7, which is root 7 times 7 is 7. So next one is plus 3 root 7 minus 3 root 7, then minus 3 times plus 3, which is minus 9. So this got cancelled. 7 minus 9, which is minus 2. So denominator going to be minus 2. Numerator, when you simplify, 14 plus 6, which is 20, plus 6 root 7 plus 2 root 7, which is 8 root 7 over negative 2. So we need to simplify the numerator. I'll bring a negative 2 outside, which is so negative 10 and negative 4 root 7 over negative 2. So negative 2 got cancelled. Minus 10 minus 4 root 7. But we need this form, a minus root b. So outside there is no integer, so we have to bring minus 10 minus this 4. I'll bring inside the square root. So square root inside, when the 4 comes, becomes 16. 16 times 7. So minus 10 minus square root of 16 times 7, 112. This is the final answer. Minus 10 minus square root of 112. That's our final answer. Is this form? This is a form of a minus square root of root b. A and b are integers, so a can be negative number. Next, question 18. Make y is a subject of this one. So y is a subject. So yeah, I'll square both the sides. So I'll get p square equal to, so right side the square root is gone. So y plus w over 3y minus t. I'll bring this 3y minus t to left side, which is p square of 3y minus t equal to y plus w. So I'll expand left side. So p square wy minus p square t equal to y plus w. Now y is our subject. I'll keep all y to one side. So p square this is p square 3y. Okay, I'll bring yeah, 3p square y. I'll bring a y to left side, which is minus y equal to w plus this p square t. I'll bring right side, will become plus p square t. Okay, bring y outside, which is 3p square minus 1 equal to w plus p square t. Next step, I'll y equal to w plus p square t over, because when this 3p square minus 1 go right side, will become division. So 3p square minus 1. This is our final answer. So y equal to w plus p square t over 3p square minus 1. Next, question 19. As a triangle is given, so all three sides are given. We need to find the angle BAC. So this angle we need to find. So this is not a right angle, so we have to use either cosine rule or sine rule. But there is no pair, there is no angle and side pair is given, so we are going for cosine rule. Cosine rule is a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So this is our a, this is the caps a here, so this is our, okay, this is b, this is c, so we can take, so a square, which is 10 square equal to 8 square plus 9 square minus 2 times 8 times 9 into cos a. Here we need to find the angle BAC, cos BAC. So rearrange this. Cos BAC equal to, we'll get this 8 square plus 9 square minus 10 square over 2 times 8 times 9. So here when you simplify, our answer is 5 over 16. So this is cos of BAC, angle BAC. Okay, so next, angle BAC equal to cos inverse of 5 over 16, which is 71.7900. But the question is 1 dp, so we'll round up, so we'll get 71.8. The answer is 71.8 degree. Next, question 20. The straight line L has equation y equal to 4x plus 7. The straight line M is perpendicular to L that passes through the point. The coordinate x, 1 is given. Find an equation of M. So first line equation of L is y equal to 4x plus 7. So here the gradient equal to 4. This is our gradient, which is 4. Next, line M. So here is L is perpendicular to M, so the gradient is going to be negative reciprocal. So the gradient is become negative 1 by 4, because here this one gradient is 4, so perpendicular line negative reciprocal, which is negative 1 by 4. So our line equation of M is, the gradient we know, which is 1 by 4 x plus c, because line equation equal to y equal to mx plus c. So we got already m, so negative 1 by 4, just I substitute here. Next, passing through the point, we know 8 comma 1. Passing through the point, coordinate is 8 comma 1, just substitute here. Y equal to 1 equal to negative 1 by 4, x is 8 plus c. So y equal to, just we need to, this is 2 times -1, which is -2 plus c. So bring 2 here, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3 equal to, so we got the c, just substitute here. So our answer is going to be y equal to -1/4x plus 3. So this is the required form. So here we need to give the answer y equal to mx plus c. So we have m and c, so final answer is y equal to -1/4x plus 3.